You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, let's learn how to pronounce this word in French from French and how you can easily say it in English. Famous for being the name of a cat breed, this simply means that it's something from the region of Chartres in France, in the center of France. Chartreux is the French pronunciation. Not char, Chartreux. Silent X and E sound. In English, you can pronounce it as Chartreux, as in the Chartreux cat. Chartreux. There's also a liqueur named Chartreuse. Chartreux. From French, how to pronounce in French Chartreux, French pronunciation. In English, Chartreux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.